In this, we do part 3. We're going to classify the sides and calculate the perimeter. So let's classify the sides. So in your notes on your paper, write down, to continue on working, write down, classify the sides. Okay? And underneath classify the sides, write triangle classification. With bullets. If it's an equilateral, all the sides will be congruent, meaning they'll all have the same measurement. They'll all be the same length. If it's isosceles, only two sides, well, not only, two or more sides will be congruent. So at least two sides will have the same measurement. If it's scalene, none of the sides, so no sides, will be congruent. So all the sides of the triangle have different measurements of length. So what we'll do for us, we'll just use our pre-image. So we'll go ahead again and we'll just make an XY graph. And just graph our pre-image. So our pre-image coordinates, we'll just put that to the side. Our pre-image coordinates for triangle ABC. A was 2, 2. B was 3, 4. And C was 4, 2. So let's go ahead and add that to our little graph. So right 2, up 2 for A. Right 3, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 for B. And right 4, up 2 for C. So there's our triangle. Alright, let's see if we can figure out what the sides, if we have any sides that are congruent. So looking at it, we see down here this side is about 2, is exactly 2. And then we see these two sides here. It looks like they're the same. So look at these two sides. It looks like this point is halfway between A and C. And it looks like this point here is perpendicular to segment AB. And so it looks like these two sides are the same. And so I'll put these two tick marks. Tick marks are indicating that this side has the same measurement as this side. So these two sides I'm saying are congruent. If two sides are congruent, then this would be an isosceles. So we're saying that this triangle here, classifying it as isosceles. Okay. Classifying this as isosceles because two of the sides are congruent. Next, we're going to find the perimeter. So find the perimeter. So next we're going to write down on your sheet, write down calculate perimeter. Calculate perimeter. We said it was isosceles because two of the sides were congruent. Now we're going to calculate the perimeter, which means we need to add up all the sides. So we can do it two ways. One way I'm going to estimate. So this bottom side we saw was 2. I'll take another sheet of graphing paper and I'll use it to kind of as a ruler to see how far is it from that point to that point. It looks like it's about 2.1 for that one. And if I use it on the other side, it looks like it's about 2.1, so about the same. So I'll say it looks like each one is approximately, so it looks like AB and BC are the same. And it looks like AB, from A to B, segment AB is approximately 2.1. We already saw that segment AC was definitely 2. And we're saying that BC is about the same, so we're saying that BC is approximately 2.1 as well. We can get a more exact answer by using the distance formula. So